We are doing a volunteer event with Institute for Applied Ecology, and we do this monthly, and today we are pulling thistle and the invasive velvet grass.
Oh yeah.
And done.
Terrible. Yeah. But yeah, I was saying he's lucky that.
It's just a good group. I like doing this kind of work with people. I get drawn to the people aspect, and that's just really healing for me.
Does he have like a bunch of family history and things he knows from his area down there? Just like family and
It's kind of like.
Where is Joseph? There he is.